Okay guys, so in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 8.1 no internet connection available problem. Okay, let's start. So click on the start menu and simply type here device manager. This option will be visible and you can click on it. So device manager is open. Now you need to find network adapter, expand it, and here's your here's your driver what you need to update. So right click update driver, click on the first option. If this not help you, you can right click and uninstall driver, and after these actions you should restart your computer. Next, what you can try is click on the start menu and locate common properties CMD. Click on it and run it as administrator. So here is how it looks like. Here you need to enter command ipconfig flash DNS and hit enter. After that, enter one more command, that is winsock reset. So you can see that command on the screen. So simply type it and click on enter. Okay, once done, what you need to do is close everything, all your apps, programs, and simply restart your computer, and this should fix all your Wi-Fi problems.